Welcome to today's lecture on molecular biology and biochemistry. In this session, we will explore the intricate world of gene regulation and its impact on cellular processes. We will delve into various mechanisms involved in DNA replication, transcription, RNA editing, and translation. Additionally, we will discuss the role of chromatin remodeling complexes, RNA binding proteins, and enhancer-promoter interactions in the regulation of gene expression. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of molecular biology. During cell division, it is crucial for DNA molecules to replicate faithfully to maintain genetic integrity. DNA replication licensing is a process that ensures that DNA is only duplicated once per cell cycle. This mechanism involves the assembly of a pre-replication complex, pre-RC, at specific DNA replication origins. The pre-RC consists of several proteins, including the origin recognition complex, ORC, CDC6, and CDT1. These proteins coordinate the recruitment and activation of the DNA helicase complex, which separates the DNA strands and allows for the replication process to commence. DNA supercoiling refers to the coiling of the DNA strands upon themselves, which can hinder various cellular processes, such as DNA replication and transcription. To alleviate this problem, cells employ topoisomerases, enzymes that can change the supercoiling state of DNA. Type I topoisomerases make transient single-strand breaks in the DNA to relieve negative supercoiling, while type II topoisomerases create double-strand breaks and pass one DNA segment through another to remove positive supercoiling. These enzymes play a crucial role in maintaining the proper structure and accessibility of DNA. Chromatin remodeling complexes play a pivotal role in regulating gene expression by modifying the packaging of DNA within the nucleus. These complexes utilize ATP-dependent mechanisms to reshape nucleosomes, which are the basic units of chromatin. By altering the positioning and accessibility of DNA, chromatin remodeling complexes can either enhance or suppress gene transcription. Examples of these complexes include SWI/SNF and ISWI, which use the energy from ATP hydrolysis to slide, evict, or reposition nucleosomes. Transcriptional coactivators and corepressors are proteins that interact with transcription factors to modulate gene expression. Coactivators enhance transcriptional activity by facilitating the assembly of the basal transcription machinery, promoting chromatin remodeling, and recruiting other regulatory proteins to the DNA. Corepressors, on the other hand, repress gene transcription by competing with coactivators for binding to transcription factors or by recruiting factors that modify chromatin structure to establish a repressive state. The C-terminal domain, CTD, of RNA polymerase II, or NAPI, undergoes extensive post-translational modifications that regulate various steps of transcriptional elongation and mRNA processing. Phosphorylation of specific serine residues within the CTD allows for the recruitment of proteins involved in pre-mRNA capping, splicing, and polydenylation. Additionally, CTD modifications also regulate the coupling of transcription and chromatin modifications, influencing gene expression dynamics. Transcriptional pausing, a frequent occurrence during gene transcription, plays a critical role in gene regulation. Pausing allows for the proper coordination of mRNA processing events and facilitates the fine-tuning of gene expression. Multiple mechanisms, including the recruitment of positive transcription elongation factors and the phosphorylation of the CTD, contribute to the release of paused RNA polymerase II, allowing for efficient mRNA synthesis. RNA editing and modification mechanisms exert significant control over the fate and function of RNA molecules. RNA editing involves the alteration of the nucleotide sequence of RNA transcripts, often mediated by specific enzymes like adenosine deaminases acting on RNA, ADARs. RNA modifications, such as methylation and pseudouracilation, can affect RNA stability, localization, and translation efficiency. These processes add an extra layer of complexity to gene expression regulation. Maintaining genome integrity is crucial for cell viability. Upon encountering DNA damage, cells activate complex signaling networks to repair the lesions and prevent the propagation of mutations. Multiple DNA damage response pathways, including DNA repair mechanisms, cell cycle checkpoints, and apoptosis, work together to ensure proper genome maintenance. Defects in these pathways can lead to genomic instability and contribute to the development of cancer and other diseases. Riboswitches are RNA elements found within the untranslated regions of certain mRNA molecules that can control translation by directly binding small molecule ligands. Upon ligand binding, riboswitches undergo conformational changes that either allow or inhibit the initiation of translation. This elegant mechanism enables cells to modulate gene expression in response to the availability of specific metabolites, providing a means to fine-tune cellular processes. RNA interference, RNAi, is a conserved mechanism that regulates gene expression post-transcriptionally. Small RNA molecules, such as microRNAs, miRNAs, and small interfering RNAs, siRNAs, guide RNA-induced silencing complexes, RISCs, to complementary mRNA sequences. RISCs can then induce mRNA degradation or translational repression, leading to the downregulation of target genes. RNAi serves as a crucial tool for gene silencing in both physiological and experimental contexts. Enhancers are cis-regulatory elements that can modulate gene expression over long genomic distances. Through the formation of chromatin loops, enhancers physically interact with promoter regions to enhance or repress transcriptional activity. These regulatory interactions are orchestrated by proteins known as transcription factors, which bind to specific DNA sequences within enhancers and promoters. Studying enhancer-promoter interactions provides insights into how cells precisely control gene expression patterns. RNA-binding proteins, RBPs, play vital roles in post-transcriptional gene regulation. They interact with RNA molecules to influence mRNA stability, localization, translation efficiency, and alternative splicing. RBPs can recognize specific RNA sequences or secondary structures, allowing them to fine-tune gene expression at the post-transcriptional level. Dysregulation of RBP-mediated processes has been implicated in various diseases, highlighting their significance in cellular homeostasis. In conclusion, gene regulation is a complex and dynamic process orchestrated by an array of molecular mechanisms. From DNA replication licensing to post-transcriptional regulation, each step is finely tuned to maintain genomic stability and control gene expression. Understanding these intricate processes is crucial for unraveling the complexities of cellular function and the development of novel therapeutic approaches. We hope this lecture provided you with a comprehensive overview and sparked your curiosity to explore this fascinating field further.